presenting a pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This GMC has less than 162,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.